Okay, so guys, so here we have is a codep, really rare. I love it, and I figured out how to customize my thumbnails. The custom thumbnail. Right now it's spinning down because I turned it off. Well, let's just start up on low. And I can upload videos longer than 20 minutes. 15 minutes now. Which is nice. So I'm gonna probably upload this video probably 16 minutes long. Are the bearings stuck or what? So right now it's on low. Well, probably I'm gonna upload this how far as I can. 5 minutes. So yeah, it's on low. Now let's go on to medium speed. Now let's go on to medium speed. Speed. Dee speed. Dee star. Dee star. Okay. Oh man. Darn it. Now you're gonna see lots and lots of wobble. And plus that's the light. Whoa.
A tradition of the Tri-Wizard tournament.
Ow.
Since its inception. On Christmas Eve night,
That's all.
we and our guests
That's.
gather in the
Oh, if you want to see the
well-mannered
codep logo on the chain. So, I'm going to show you.
and every one of you.
It's on that chain.
I mean this literally because the Yule Ball
On that bead.
and ceremonies.
Here's the dining room fan on medium speed. Now I want to put it on high speed for you guys. So. Now let's put it back to medium speed. Oh yeah, look. I guess that's all. No, that ain't a fan switch. No, this is. Goodbye.